In U1c7, I'm going to talk about some principles of video recording just to make sure you understand some of these basics. So one video recording, that's a single recording, could be called a clip. It could also be called a shot. In this class, I tend to refer to it as a shot, but you could hear those two words meaning the same thing in various places. That is one continuous recording from the time you hit record to the time you hit stop. That could be a shot or a clip. That is a single track of video. That recording will go into a track in our editing software. You've already learned some editing in Video 1a. Editors, of course, might have multiple tracks of video. You could layer tracks on top of each other. If you wanted to do a picture-in-picture is if you've got a newscaster or something on one side of the screen, and then next to them there's a picture, maybe a graphic or a piece of video that plays. That's a picture inside of a picture. You could also overlay pieces of video on top of each other. Two stacks of video could be overlaid. If you're shooting in front of a green screen, or I should say a color key, because any color can be keyed out these days, green and blue, or any solid color using our digital software, but that would involve multiple layers of video, because once you key out one layer, you got to have something else to put behind it. If you're creating special effects, those special effects are often layered on top of the existing video. Or then we get into digital compositing. Digital compositing is when an SFX artist, a special effects artist, has got lots and lots of complex tracks. We could be talking dozens of tracks, 100 tracks of video if it's a really complicated shot. And this is a job. There are people who are digital compositors and do this for a living, just creating special effects. You can specialize in just that one area.